Hello data points. As you all of you know, we are doing the show file tree project, and I think to add one website for documentation. So I think to prefer the material for mkdocs library and go through all the terms, and here is the yml file of this, and until now the only the header is complete, means the front page. So I think where to learn, so I go to the mkdocs and search the her mkdocs yml file, then simple I take the best from here, understanding the each the terms, why this is comment out and why this is left. And at the starting time, the all this navigation is also in my top, but when I saw this mkdocs material preference, then I take it at last. And I think to added some change log and on code of conduct and the contribution for all of you guys. And today we have updated all these md files and as well as the readme file, because the readme files have some error. I think all do in a branch of class md. So then when the all this file committed, then I squash it and form a one, only one mkdocs. Not only that, I understood the material design. uh, if you notice, my one theme is like this purple type, so I understand the material designing also to make our website beautiful and looking awesome. And I think how to add this animation at so later. And let's see how our website look like. mkdocs acrv subs, then wait for a minute, it builds. Yeah, I go to the best, see what they are added, and I feel to added as well, searching some custom yml files, documented all this, what can we added for our project. Okay, this is the time for future reference, just because I am documenting all my learnings. And here is some thing understanding is the terms, because I am not know everything, so I google it, simple find out, finding some icons which is are best for us. And where is the website? I think to added what here is, just a minute, getting started, creating it. We added this, we added also this. Here is our link is ready, copy, paste. Okay, here is we did it something like this. And this icon I don't like, so I prefer to this with sun and moon signature with some logos, copyrights. And I prefer our general look likes very simple and clear. Okay, and let's look at the full screen. Here is setup, plugins, preference. Then I think to added this also, but I don't know how to add. I figure out. And also this, was this page is helpful. I love this, whatever, I think this is better for us, we did it. And what is the tag button, we don't get until now, guys. 1010, and here is 524. Okay, bhai is mean the brother. Okay, this our library is contains some few hmm, commands. I think to mention out all of this, like general, output and display, sorting and filtering, and the time series. All of this in the time series exclude added the filter. You can find out showing the suggestions. What happened? Huh? Okay, I also don't know what this happened. Okay, here is okay. When I launched the basic, then I updated. I also we are also changes this icon and also this icon and added some features like this, adding so many plugins so that our looks nice. Here is the tag. What is the tag? Search, color, font, social media, logo, icon, blocks. Yes, I think to added some blocks for this site inside. Let's see what we can do. Okay, this is the update of my side. When we are updated the readme, all the added the readme files, and then we are jumping to our website working launching project. And here is one issues I find out. So yeah, we have the created the templates also in the next in previous sessions. Okay, and simple. Yeah, this is our simple project. Let's see what happened. Learning from the best. I heard one quotation from where I don't know, but good artist copy but the great artist steal. uh, so I think to steal all these functions. Here is the copyright, but I'm just learning from here and tested out what is working for us. We are applying, and what is not, we are simply leave it. There is nothing else much. Okay. mm, Jai Hind.